Hello, this is only a test with pictures in Nomad Sculpt. I show you how I did this picture. I got a colored PNG only without a background, and I duplicated the layers. This is Procreate, and we need red, green, blue, but not exactly red, green, blue. I changed the curves. For the red, I only pull up the curves in the red direction, and for the green I do the same. Green. And for the blue I do also the same. Okay. Blue. Okay. Then I export the JPEG. Save picture. JPEG. Save picture. JPEG. Save picture. Okay, then we can go to Nomad. I add a plane. I subdivide it sometimes, high resolution, and I draw two marks on this plane. And now I need the paint tool. Paint is on, and I remove delete. Okay, I add the alpha. This is the red one. I invert it and stroke, fall off, dynamic radius, and this is red. We need red. I bring it up to red, and now I start at this point and pull it up to this. Then we need the next one. Photos green. Invert it. Change the color to green. Start at the same point, I hope. I got it. Okay, green. It's not exactly, this is a problem. And the last one is the blue. And invert it. Change color to blue. And start at the same point and bring it here. That's the way, but there's sure a much better way. But it's possible to paint the layers or the alphas here with different colors to get a result like this. But it would be nice if this goes in one step. You separate the colors before, and then you open alpha with all three colored layers inside. That was very nice. I hope you have fun with experimenting this. Okay, have fun. Ciao.